Introduction. Ramesh was confused. He had to make a report comparing the place he lived and any foreign country. He went to his elder sister to get some idea. His sister suggested him to speak with his childhood friend Aman, who had recently returned from Abu Dhabi. Ramesh was happy and rushed to meet his friend Aman. Let us see what he finds out. In this lesson, you will learn about comparing cities. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify a desert area, get information about the climate and weather of the desert area, dress worn by people, food eaten, language spoken and kinds of houses. Identify the currency used in various foreign countries. Ramesh's city. Ramesh lives in Kerala. Kerala is a small state. It is in the southwest corner of India. It is known as God's own country, as it has greenery all around. Many rivers flow through Kerala. People here speak Malayalam. Aman's city. Aman lives in Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi is located in UAE. Abu Dhabi is an island desert. It is one of the richest cities in the world. The area is rich in oil fields. Petrol is cheaper than water in countries like Abu Dhabi. Climate and weather. Weather is very hot in Abu Dhabi. People cover their heads in Abu Dhabi to protect themselves from strong sun. People wear loose cotton clothes and keep themselves fully covered in very hot weather. Trees and plants. It almost never rains in a desert. Different types of cactus and dates grow more in Abu Dhabi. Date is the most common fruit in Abu Dhabi. Kinds of building. In Abu Dhabi, buildings are tall with many stories and big glass windows. The places are air-conditioned inside and so they cannot open windows. Other things. In Abu Dhabi, we see mountains made of sand. They are called sand dunes. People speak Arabic and the currency used here is dirhams. Here are a few countries and the currency used there. USA, dollar. France, euro. England, pound. Japan, yen. Saudi Arabia, Saudi Riyal. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Kerala is known as God's own country as it has greenery all around. Abu Dhabi is an island desert. People cover their heads in Abu Dhabi to protect themselves from strong sun. Sand dunes are mountains of sand found in desert.